everyone, taking the CELPIP exam soon? In this video, I'm walking you through every step of test day, from registration to results, so you know exactly what to expect and won't make costly mistakes. Let's dive in. What do you actually need on test day? Only two things are absolutely required: a valid original photo ID and your confirmation email. Your ID can be a passport, Canadian PR card, US passport, or refugee travel document. It must be unexpired and match your registration details exactly. But here's what's equally important: what you cannot bring. And I mean absolutely cannot. Your phone must be completely off, not on silent. No smartwatches, no fitness trackers. Don't bring pens, pencils, or any of your study notes. No food, no drinks, no jewelry, no heavy coats. Basically, no personal items whatsoever. They all go in a locker. This is non-negotiable. Arrive 45 minutes before your scheduled test time. Seriously, if you're late, they won't let you in. No refunds, no rescheduling. Check-in closes 15 minutes before your test starts. Pro tip: use the bathroom before you arrive, because once check-in begins, you're on the clock. At check-in, you'll store everything in a locker. Your ID gets scanned, your photo is taken, and you'll sign in. You'll receive a wristband and 2 pieces of scratch paper with a pen. They'll test your microphone and headset to make sure everything's working. Then you wait until everyone's ready, and the staff announces the start code. Everyone begins simultaneously. No early starts, no staggered timing. The entire test takes about 3 hours, and it's 100% computer-based. You'll complete 4 sections in order: listening, 46 to 55 minutes; reading, 43 to 56 minutes; writing, 53 to 60 minutes; and speaking, 15 to 20 minutes. You have a keyboard, mouse, headset, and microphone. Countdown timers appear on your screen for each section, and when time's up, the computer automatically advances. You cannot go back to previous sections or change answers. Here's what surprises most test takers: there are no scheduled breaks, and your timer never stops. Not for anything. If you need a bathroom break, you can go, but your timer keeps running. You'll be escorted by staff, and you'll need to go through security again when you return. That's lost test time you can never get back. So use the bathroom before check-in. This is huge. After you finish, staff collect your scratch paper. Your results appear online in 3 to 4 business days. You'll get an email notification when your scores are ready. You can download your official score report directly from your CELPIP account. Your scores are valid for 2 years. There you have it, your complete test day roadmap. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more CELPIP tips. Good luck, and you've got this.